I represent Obiabo Federal Constituency. I'm an Ikwere man from Rivers State. My dear colleagues, I rise this morning to urge us under Order 8, Rule 4 of the rules of these Green Chambers to see another issue that has to do with security of lives and property as one that is urgent and important enough to be discussed by these chambers this morning. Only last week, the Rivers State government set up the civil arm, which is supposed to assist the Nigerian police in securing the state. You are all aware of the incidents of security across the country, and that states today are working outside the box. A law was passed by the State Assembly setting up the Rivers State Civil Defense Corps, and recruitment was done. Thereafter, the armed forces were informed to assist the state in training them. Whilst that training was going on, the Nigerian army invaded the place, arrested some persons, and branded them as a militia group. I think there is need because it is also provoking some sort of security issues within the state. And it is this hollow chamber, I think, that is most appropriate to step in, investigate these issues, confirm whether it is actually a militia group, and then advise on further steps to be taken to ensure that our country remains safe for all of us. I therefore urge you to see this as a matter that is very important and urgent enough for these chambers to discuss this morning. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. This issue underscores the need for this House to debate it. The title of the motion is Disruption of Training Exercise for Rivers State Neighborhood Safety Corps Agency, unconscionable branding of the Corps as a militia group by the Nigerian Army, and the need for this House to investigate same. I don't think that defense, in the sense that the DS tried to use it, it's actually what, perhaps when I was presenting it, I used the word and it was misunderstood. But the essence is that there is need for us to ensure that we douse the tension in Rivers State as we speak today. And the only thing we can do is for us to investigate the claims by both parties, both the state government and the Nigerian Army, and then arrive at a decision and advise the parties. That's the essence of the motion.
Those in favor of the motion say aye. Those against it say nay. Ayes have it.
Branding of the Corps as a militia group by the Nigerian Army. The House notes with great concern and dismay the invasion of the training camp and subsequent disruption of the Rivers State Neighborhood Safety Corps Agency, the Neighborhood Watch training program by the Nigerian Army. The House also notes that at present there are security breaches and killings in several parts of the country, which have continued unabated and at an alarming rate, for which the security agencies, including the armed forces, are helpless, grossly inefficient, and incapable of solely dealing with. The House further notes that the apparent failure or breakdown of security apparatus of the country has elicited much concern and skepticism as to the ability of the security agencies to effectively deal with the security challenges all alone. Thus, the need for states to complement the efforts of the federal government. The House is cognizant of the fact that security is of utmost importance and ought to be of great concern to everyone to enhance the protection and welfare of the citizenry as provided in Section 14(2)(b) of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The House is also cognizant of the fact that Lagos and other state governments have in place security outfits similar to the Rivers State Neighborhood Watch, and the operations have never been stopped, disrupted, or closed down by any security agencies, including the Nigerian Army. The House is further cognizant of the fact that some states run licensed armed civilian vigilantes, while others, such as Kano, Borno, and Zamfara, have Hisbah, whose duty is to enforce Sharia laws and tackle other petty crimes. Benue and Taraba states also have laws establishing vigilantes to assist the police check the activities of and attacks by herdsmen and farmers. The House is aware that Rivers State Neighborhood Watch was legally set up through the passage into law by the Rivers State House of Assembly of the Rivers State Neighborhood Safety Corps Agency Law number 8 of 2018, with the aim to, among others, enhance security, foster community policing and crime control, and ensure security of lives and property within the state. The House is also aware that the said law provides that the agency will totally and completely be subservient to the Nigerian Police Force and is bound to assist, complement, and collaborate with the Nigerian Police Force and all other security agencies to ensure law and order. The House is further aware that pursuant to the above, the Rivers State government recruited and opened a training camp for participants at the National Youth Service Corps Permanent Orientation Camp at Nowa in Tai local government area of Rivers State to help the security agencies effectively manage security issues in the state through information gathering and dissemination, as well as provide jobs for teeming unemployed Rivers youths. Also aware that the Rivers State government duly notified in writing authorities of the Nigerian Army and other security agencies, including the Nigerian Police Force and the Department of State Security Services, of the said training exercise for members of the Neighborhood Watch, and indeed invited the security agencies to provide technical support for training of the recruits, which includes physical training, intelligence gathering, and crime detection techniques. The House is concerned about the invasion of the training camp and disruption of the training exercise of the Rivers State Neighborhood Watch by men of the Nigerian Army on grounds of acting on orders from above and labeling participants as being members of a militia gang. The House is also concerned about the apparent level of politicization and selective interference of the Nigerian Army in the affairs of some states of the Federation, including Rivers State. The House is more concerned that the above situation could lead to mistrust amongst the populace regarding the said selective interference by the Nigerian Army in the affairs of Rivers State, and thus strain friendly working relationship between the Nigerian Army and the government and the people of Rivers State. The House is called to resolve as follows. Firstly, to strongly condemn the invasion of the training camp and disruption of the training exercise of the Rivers State Neighborhood Watch by men of the Nigerian Army, and also direct an immediate end and/or a stop to the invasion of the training camp and disruption of the training exercise by the Nigerian Army, and finally mandate the House Committee on Army to urgently investigate the said activities of the Nigerian Army and the veracity of their claim that the Corps is a militia group, and report to the House within 2 weeks for further legislative action. Mr. Speaker, my dear colleagues, I so move.
Those in favor of the motion as amended say aye. Those against it say nay. The ayes have it.